And you know, of course, I got my coaches to let me know if I'm on the right path or not. And they're always so honest to let me know things. At the same time, I feel like, you know, it's easy to get that doubt in your head on, is my body, you know, do I really belong here? Like, is this really what my body is doing now? Can I be competitive in this? And today just gave me so much validation. Like, yeah, like I became a wellness competitor. I'm competing this weekend.
Oh,
nice.
Yeah,
so
a lot of people are going to be in the show on Saturday.
Yeah.
So you'll probably see some people
probably so. It's a quick total body workout, and then I'm out of here.
Well, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
I know that y'all put a lot of hours into this.
We do. It's I've been getting ready over a year for this, so. Yeah, thank you. I love it. It's crazy, but I love it. Yeah. It really is.
It's fun. Where do you come from?
I'm from Chicago. Today, this is the most relaxed I've ever felt coming into a show. Like the day prior, the days leading up to it, everything. I was talking to my mom the other night, and she said it. She was just like, you know, of all the years I've seen you compete, I love how you sound. I love the energy that you have. You don't sound stressed. You don't sound worried. You sound like you're having a great time. You're just having fun. And energy is everything. Energy is how I'm able to see what I'm thinking about. So if I'm having a down thought, or I'm feeling nervous, or I'm feeling doubtful of something, it's letting me know that somewhere along the way, my energy is not where it should be. And for me, it's being able to tap into understanding when you're having a thought that's not in alignment with where you need to be, what my goal is, how I want to feel in that moment, and being able to shift that. This journey requires a lot of, you know, discipline, day in, day out. It can be late nights, early mornings, lack of sleep. Your body's not feeling the best. Sometimes you're uncomfortable. I mean, it's a lot that goes into it. So I'm able to channel more into all of that when I don't have noise. Why I do this is to get to this night before, where I'm looking forward to getting on stage, and then getting on stage the next day. So it's been an amazing day. I slept in this morning because my cardio was now down, for now. And then just went on with my day with getting stuff together, and everything ran smoothly. It ran beautifully. It's one of the first preps that I've done since I started back competing in 2019, where I was by myself during the prep process and getting ready. And I can now see how much I'm able to control my own energy, make sure I stay in a really great headspace with no other influences coming in. So I feel like this is all lining up at a time of my life where I'm just having fun in each and every single moment.
I used to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning when I would work out, and I would just take her, you know. She said, where? And I would, you know, get off work, and I took her to the gym a couple of times, and she loved it. I took her to a show, and after that, she was so amazed.
Pero toma 5,000, gástalo en Sephora. Liputón ya no compra en Pandora. Como piercing a los hombres perfora. Hace tiempo le rompieron el cora.
I'm not done yet. I'm not finished yet. Like I'm just getting started. So that's where I am right now. And I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that next step. You know, I embrace all of this. 4:30 a.m. workout, wake up calls, cardio, being tired throughout the day. Like it all gets me to this. I love this. It's just love because everyone is on their own path and we're all competing against, we're competing against each other, we're competing against ourselves.
All right, I think I'll have to go for this like Oreo spooky. Oh, it's warm. Ah, they're warm. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I've been looking for this season. You know, in the bread aisle. I thought they stopped making this stuff. All this time, it's been in the bread aisle chilling. Oh my god. I love this season. It's one of my favorites. I can have no sugar in it. It's great. Brit Inez, NPC San Antonio Classic Wellness Open Class winner, Class A.